to the Grayson and Anarchy Show! The cyclone. Dorothy lived in the Midas cyclone area in Kansas prairies. And one day, a cyclone came and brushed her house away. No! I got a paper cut. It's just so funny. It's just so funny. Oh my god. Oh, my belly is starting to rumble and hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh I think I peed my pants. What? We should do a burping challenge! Are you sure about that? Yes. Yes, I am. No pain! No pain! No pain! No pain! No pain! No pain!
We are in Los Angeles, Los Feliz, California, at Marcus and Grayson's house. We're here today for their burping match, and it's going to start in 3, 2, 1. Burp!
It's hurting my mouth.
Marcus seems to be going down. Will this be a KO? Marcus seems to be getting kind of close. Marcus is turning into a monster out here. They seem to be going out. It's like gas out of a 1990s Toyota truck. Marcus seems to be running out of gas. He seems to be trying too hard. Is he going down? Marcus seems to be having a problem in his throat. Oh, Marcus seems to be going down. He's down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, he's back up. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's back up. He's going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He wasn't pulling up, so he is down. That's a KO for Grayson. He wins. Oh no, Marcus is getting done. No, we're gonna do the left
I won that fight, right?
No, I won it.
My career is over. We'll continue this another day.